here in Scandinavia, there is a weird fascination in the criminal environment with the old pagan gods, Odin, Thor, these kind of things. And many people don't know about these guys because Hollywood has made Vikings very popular now. They were brutal men worshipping brutal demons. I mean, Vikings had human sacrifices and everything. They thrived in a culture of death, where, I mean, the only way you could get to Valhalla, which is Viking paradise, is by dying with a sword in your hand on the battlefield while taking the lives of others. So that whole mentality is definitely there, and you see it in their tattoos, and very often you meet some of them in there that would directly say and admit, I worship Odin and Thor and these guys. And it is a thing here in Denmark. It's recognized as a church in Denmark, the old pagan religion.